Workplace safety mistakes can cause serious injuries. Today, learn key errors across industries and how to prevent them. In construction, working at heights without fall protection is a major risk. Always use harnesses and guardrails to ensure safety. In office environments, poor ergonomics can lead to strains. Adjust your chairs and desks properly, and remember to take regular breaks. Improper heavy lifting and logistics can cause serious back injuries. Use proper techniques, trolleys, or team lifts to handle heavy items safely. In factories, operating machines without guards poses a significant danger. Install and maintain machine guards, and ensure all personnel receive proper training. In hospitality, ignoring wet floor hazards can lead to slips and falls. Always place warning signs and clean spills promptly. Prioritize safety everywhere, from construction sites to office spaces, factories, and hospitality venues. Stay safe.